Come here.
What? Did I just lock myself in here with them? I did. Open the. Why? Oh. I hate this game. Go, 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 go. Monkey, move, bro. Oh my god, I'm so retarded. I hate this game. Good job. Good job. How? This happens every single time. Somebody open the doors from the outside. I already died by Sonic. I can't. There's a murderous monster right behind me. Fuck, fuck. Bro, what? I'm in the city.
Bro, I was just running around and stood right in the Sonic.
No! Why'd you tell me to do that, Carter? To run into the freaking Sonic. Why? Close that gate. Did you die? Oh. They were right. As I said.
Shut up.
See, me personally, no, I'm kidding. Where are they, bro? God damn it. What? Sure. What's up, Carter? Nope. Oh, I went out, but I didn't go that way. I'm finna get stuck. God dang it. Why'd I go the opposite? Ah, crouch. Never mind.
No, she was literally spawn camping.
God dang it. Every time I come out, bro. Where are all... We can't open that, damn it.
Bro, Carter just killed me.
Carter killed Carter? Question mark? No! Oh my god. Are you... This game, bro. Outlined in white. I'm finna die. Why? Why? Oh my god, bro. I got chased down by 3. No! Dude. God dang it, they were freaking... Are you even screen recording? Dang. Are you even screen recording? Dang. No, no, no. Okay, not again, not again, not again. God dang it. Why? Hell no, hell no, hell no. No! Oh my god. What? I hate this game.
It was good, man. No game.
No!
gotta say no. So how long you think
See, me personally, I wouldn't get locked out of the freaking safe room, but that's just me. 5 seconds later. Oh my god. Monkey, monkey. Oh, get you. Y'all suck. Hey guys, how you doing? Hey guys.
Bro, I just had all her ankles. Then freaking this man had to stop me. Oh gosh.
You got juked. You suck. I feel so bad. I just got them killed. I just got to try to go out. Monkeys. Can somebody just please go shut the door? I don't know how to get them back down here though.
Dang.
Why'd I do that? Why? No! I hate this game, bro.
The KKK members up here.
Please, 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 please.
Let me see
Please.
it.
Somebody open this. Carter!
I can't open it. I'm gonna
Where you at? We
look at all these plays. They're walking on Twitch.
Nobody go out. No! Oh my god, I'm so retarded.